Convoso Credit Repair Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the product are in the description below. Convoso is a credit repair software primarily designed for businesses in the credit repair industry. It's a platform that streamlines operations, enabling credit repair agencies to manage clients and improve workflows efficiently. Convoso is tailored for credit repair companies looking to scale, automate processes, and enhance client relationships. It helps businesses track client disputes, monitor credit progress, and generate reports without manual effort, offering a sophisticated, tech-driven approach to credit repair. One of the key features of Convoso is its cloud-based solution, which provides access from anywhere, allowing businesses to manage credit repair cases on the go. The platform offers integrated CRM capabilities, which makes managing client information, communication, and billing much simpler. Convoso also provides auto-dialing features, streamlining client outreach and improving efficiency in following up with leads and clients. Additionally, it supports dispute management by automating and tracking credit repair activities, making it easier to monitor progress across multiple clients. When it comes to strengths, Convoso offers a highly customizable platform that can be tailored to specific business needs. Its user-friendly interface ensures that even those with limited tech experience can navigate and benefit from its features. The automation of follow-ups, document management, and client communications saves time, allowing businesses to focus on growing their client base. Moreover, Convoso's ability to integrate with other software tools, such as accounting software or lead generation systems, makes it a highly versatile tool for scaling credit repair agencies. As for weaknesses, Convoso might not be the right fit for individuals looking for a personalized, hands-on credit repair service. It's geared towards business use rather than individual clients seeking direct credit repair assistance. Additionally, while the platform offers many features, the learning curve could be a challenge for those unfamiliar with CRM systems or automated workflows. The pricing may also be a concern for smaller businesses, as it may be on the higher side compared to simpler credit repair tools. In conclusion, Convoso is an excellent tool for credit repair agencies looking to improve their operational efficiency, automate client management, and scale their business. However, it's best suited for businesses rather than individual consumers, and its pricing might make it less attractive to smaller firms or startups.